Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. If you haven't had a chance to, please go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And while you are there, definitely take a look at some of our older videos, sure to find something you like. So today's video is going to be some tips and tricks to make a small space feel bigger. So tip number one would be to use big furniture, just use less of it. No need to go run out and buy an apartment size sofa. People always try to cram a lot of small furniture into small rooms. It just makes the space look more crowded. For instance, instead of trying to fit in a sofa, chair, ottoman, coffee table, side tables, try using just a regular size sofa, a large ottoman that would double as your coffee table, and perhaps just one single side chair. So if you have the space, you can even include a large armoire for storage. Also a tip, closed storage will look less cluttered than open storage. So the next tip would be to use furniture wisely. So try having at least one or two pieces the same color as your walls. The furniture will blend in and make the room feel bigger. Also, large upholstered seating looks lighter and creates a sense of space when you place it on raised legs. So anything like sofas, love seats, just put them on legs. Lastly, glass or acrylic furniture such as waterfall tables and ghost chairs take up negative space, which makes your room feel less crowded because you can literally just see right through them. My next tip is to remove clutter. Clutter is a huge no-no in small rooms. Make sure everything has a place and everything actually stays in its place, which is my problem. Keep small items like remote controls in storage baskets or boxes, and also avoid excessive accessories. Don't allow things like newspapers and books to lie around on tables. In a small space, even the smallest amount of clutter will affect the overall look and feel of the room. My next tip would be to use light colors and fabrics. Color is always wonderful, it's one of my favorite things. But when you're trying to make a small room look bigger, be sure to use a lot of light colors. Pastels, light neutrals, and shades of white are best for creating just an overall feeling of openness and airiness. Also be sure to stay away from really heavy fabrics like velvets and wools, and keep to those that are lightweight, cotton, linen, and etc. Next, maximize your natural light. Good lighting may be the single most important element in any room, and natural lighting is always best. Now, honestly, not every room has a ton of it, so do what you can to maximize and work with what you've got. Hang curtains just a bit outside the window frame so when the curtains are open, none of the window is covered and it makes the room look a lot bigger. Keep any window treatments light, both in color and fabric. And if possible, hang a mirror on the wall across from where the window is. The natural light will be reflected, making the room feel bigger and brighter. And speaking of mirrors, use your mirrors strategically. Mirrors are great for reflecting light and creating the illusion of more space. Placing a mirror near or across from a window is always a great idea. Another technique is to choose a focal point and then angle a mirror or two towards it. It will create the illusion of depth. Now, while a series of small mirrors look great, generally speaking, it's better to use large mirrors when trying to make a small room look bigger. Of course, it's totally up to you. And last but not least, hang your artwork with wide frames and mats. Also, larger pieces won't hurt. Much like furniture, it's better to use a fewer but larger pieces of art. Use artwork to create a focal point and place smaller pieces in larger frames. Photographs that are displayed in large frames with wide mats create a sense of space. Gallery walls are still an option if you really love your gallery walls, but instead of using just a ton of really small, tiny pieces grouped together, use fewer pieces with wider mats. The effect will be the same, but the space will feel less crowded. As always, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.